Hi, welcome to Excel Education. This is the part 3 video of the Financial Formulas module. In this video, we are going to prepare a complete loan schedule all by ourselves. We already have the data that we prepared from the previous videos. So you know that the loan amount availed is 1 lakh rupees. Let us quickly convert it into rupees in this case. The interest percentage is 10%, the term of loan is 60, and the loan EMI calculated is 2124. All right, so let us quickly convert it to Indian rupee. All right, yes. So uh, I'm going to first type the serial number. Let me type it here. Serial number stands for the monthly payments. I will have the loan EMI here, which is going to be constant throughout my 60 months, and then it will have the principal paid. Then I'll have the interest amount paid, interest paid. Then I'll have the principal balance that is outstanding, which should be zero by the end of 60 months. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type a sequence formula because we are going to have 60 rows and one column. All right. So I get from 1 to 60. My EMI is going to remain as what? Let us quickly calculate. Wait a minute. Instead of these numbers is equal to 1 lakh rupees, right, is equal to 1 lakh rupees. I'll calculate the EMI once again. PMT rate is 10 divided by 12. The number of periods is going to be what? 60 months, and the present value is going to be 1 lakh rupees, and the future value is going to be 0 and 0 again. All right, so we have minus 2124.70 as our EMI, which I am going to give here, and I'm blocking the cells. All right, so out of this 2124, I would like to know what is the principal paid. So for that, I have got principal paid. We have got another formula called PPMT. Let us try to understand how PPMT works. PPMT is nothing but the same thing, guys. So here I am taking the rate again as 10%. Of course, it has to be locked because we are going to click and drag. Then it is asking the current period. Current period is the serial number, and what is the total number of periods? Total number of periods is again 60, which can be locked again. And what is the present value? Present value is 1 lakh, which has to be locked again. And future value is 0, and payment type is 0. All right. So we understand that out of this 2129, 1291.37 is paid towards principal. Let me quickly change it to what? Indian currency as well. All right. Wait a minute. Yes. All right. So now we have two options to find the interest that we have paid. One is to take the difference between these two. The difference between these two will be the interest paid, 833.33, or we also have a formula for finding out the interest paid for that particular EMI. That is called the IPMT. Now let us verify if IPMT gives us the same result of 833.33. So I type as IPMT, open the bracket. Rate is what? Rate is this 10% divided by 12. Of course, I need to lock it as such. I type F4 divided by 12, and the number of period is 1. It is for the first period, and what I'm saying is that the period for which the interest paid is calculated is called PER, and NPER stands for the total number of periods. So nextly we get number of periods, for which I choose it as C4. If by the way, if you are having any doubt, I request you to kindly rewind the video multiple times and watch it so that you understand it properly. Now it is asking for PV, and I'm choosing the PV as 1 lakh. I'm locking it again, and the future value is 0, and the type is going to be 0. All right, see, you get the answer exactly as minus 833.33. Again, minus means it is going out of the pocket, plus means it's coming inside the pocket. So, what would be the principal balance, guys? Principal balance would be the 1 lakh rupees minus what we have already paid towards principal. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add these two numbers. I'm adding because there is a minus sign in here. So C2 plus this particular principal paid cell, and I get to know that whatever is the balance is 98,708.63 after the first month's EMI. All right, beautiful. So now this cell is going to be the same. Now I am giving a control D because I am just copy pasting the formula. Please note that I have given dollar symbols wherever I need to lock so that I get the correct values. Now I copy paste this as well. This particular cell I cannot copy paste as here I have added from this loan amount. I mean the initial loan amount. I have added the principal amount. However, from this particular case, I have to go on reducing the principal paid from this. So in this case, I will be adding this principal balance to this negative principal paid. So I get 97,406.5. However, from here on, I can just simply choose to double click so that I get the entire values copy pasted. Now, if what I have prepared is right, at the end of 60 months, the value should be 0. Let us try to understand by going at the 60th row. Yes, as you can see, the 60th row tells us that the principal balance is exactly 0, which means that our loan schedule is perfectly right. All right, so you can verify it by seeing that for the penultimate month, the principal balance, this is where the principal outstanding is there. I will do one thing, I'll just freeze this for a moment so that you can better see it. Freeze pane, yes, all right. So you can see that for the penultimate month, which is the 59th month, the principal balance is 2107.14, which is exactly the premium paid, I mean principal paid for the last month, and that way our loan amount becomes absolutely 0. All right. So just for our interest, let us take the total summation of total of the principal paid, which should be 1 lakh, and let us take the total summation of the interest paid, which is 27,482. So this means that we have paid a total interest of 27,000 rupees on our loan of 1 lakh rupees over a period of 5 years. All right. So I hope that you have understood something about this financial formulas, and you have learned how to prepare a complete loan schedule with Excel. This is a highly powerful tool, guys, and if you can prepare all by yourself, you have definitely been promoted to the next level because it is a really powerful formula, and not many people know how to prepare a loan schedule. So I hope you like this video. See you in the next video.